In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ecwid to Aliexpress in 2025. This is a full tutorial aimed at making your e-commerce journey seamless and efficient. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Ecwid platform and log into your dashboard. If you're new to Ecwid, make sure your account is all set up before proceeding, as this is where all the magic will happen. Once you're in, head over to your Ecwid admin panel. Here you'll find various options, but what you need is to go to the app section and then click on App Market. This is where you can discover a variety of integrations and tools that can enhance your store's functionality. With the App Market in front of you, take advantage of the search bar to look for a specific type of app. You're going to search for apps like DSs, Aliexpress dropshipping. DSs is one of the popular tools that enables seamless integration between Ecwid and Aliexpress, bringing a world of products to your fingertips for dropshipping. After you've identified the right app, go ahead and click on the Install button. This crucial step allows the app to establish a connection with your Ecwid store, setting the stage for a direct line to Aliexpress. Once installed, these apps perform a valuable function. They allow you to connect your Ecwid store directly with Aliexpress. This gives you the ability to browse through countless products and import them into your online store effortlessly, saving you valuable time and expanding your inventory range almost instantly. Following installation, you'll notice that the app will prompt you to link your Aliexpress account. This connection is essential as it forms the bridge between your online storefront and Aliexpress. When you're prompted, make sure you log into your Aliexpress account. During this process, the app will ask for permission to access product information on your behalf. It's critical to grant this access so that you can effectively import products to your Ecwid store. Inside the app's dashboard, you'll find a user-friendly interface that makes importing products straightforward. To add products you're interested in, simply navigate to those products and look for the Import or Add to Store option. Once you've found the desired product, click that button, and just like that, the product becomes part of your store's inventory. And there you have it, you've just learned how to connect Ecwid to Aliexpress, a move that will potentially expand and streamline your retail operations. With this integration, your business can tap into a vast array of products, enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy selling,